Assalamualaikum and welcome back. Proceed our discussion on example number 4. The question is, when the pressure of an ideal gas is increased from 5.5 times 10 power of 4 to 1.5 times 10 power of 5, okay, its volume decreased from 2.5 times 10 power of negative 3 to 0.5 times 10 power of negative 3. So, kita list upkan dulu apa yang diberi dekat dalam soalan. So, basically, this one is P1. Okay, this one is P2, this one is volume 1, and this one is volume 2. So, kita list up lah. So, P1 is equals to 5.5 times 10 power of 4 Pascal. And then P2 kita is 1.5 times 10 power of 5 Pascal. Okay. And then V1 kita adalah 2.5 times 10 power of negative 3 meter cube. Then volume 2 is 0.5 times 10 power of negative 3 meter cube. Okay. So, kita dah tahu P1, P2, V1, V2 and then semua dah dalam SI unit. So, fine lah. Tak ada, kita tak perlu buat apa-apa. So, if the initial root mean square speed of the gas is V. So, dia kata kalau VRMS 1 kita, So, VRMS 1 kita adalah V. So, berapa VRMS 2 kita in terms of V? Okay, dia nak VRMS 2 tapi in terms of V. Sebab VRMS 1 dia tak bagi nilai, dia bagi V je. So, mestilah jawapan akhir you adalah mesti in terms of V. Okay, so sebelum tu kita kena cari dulu relationship antara P, V dan juga VRMS. Okay, so kalau you refer equation PV, you refer balik you punya lecture notes, kita ada satu equation which is PV equals to 1/3 number of moles darab dengan mass dan kita darabkan dengan VRMS squared. So, daripada equation ni, we know that PV is directly proportional to VRMS squared. So, bila kita dah tahu relationship, okay, then you could make up your own equation. Senang lah, tak ada hal. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Pindahkan VRMS ke sebelah. So, PV per VRMS squared. So, kita akan equalize dengan constant. Okay, apa yang dia maksudkan dengan equation ni? So, maksudnya throughout the process, if you change anything, so maksudnya nilai dia adalah sama. Jadi, I could rewrite as P1 V1 over VRMS 1 squared equals to P2 V2 over VRMS 2 squared. Okay, so you plug in all the values given. P1 dah ada, V1 dah ada, P2 dah ada, V2 dah ada, VRMS 1 you dah ada V. So, masukkan everything. So, P1 is 5.5 times 10 power of 4. And then V1U is 2.5 times 10 power of negative 3. You divide with V. VRMS 1 is V je. So, V1 squared. And then P2, you have 1.5 times 10 power of 5 times with 0.5 times 10 power of negative 3. And you divide with VRMS 2 squared. Kita tahu kan? So, you darab silang lah. Okay. So, you darab silang. You akan dapat VRMS 2 squared you adalah sama dengan, okay, you kena ada square root lah nanti. Okay. Yang tu matematik you. So, you akan dapat 0.739 V meter per second. Okay. If you confused about the maths, just personally ask me. Okay. So, yang ni basically you pindah silang. So, kat sini, ni you settle lah, darabkan. And then you akan ada kat sebelah kiri is berapa nilai value dapat VRMS 2 squared. So, kat sini you akan ada nilai, you darabkan dengan V. So, nanti the value you akan bring in down. So, you kena square root kan you punya nilai. Okay. So, that's all for this video and thank you very much.